Today our experiment is familiarization with Asman psychometer and estimation of psychometric properties of mind ear. Basically, psychometric properties of ear deals with the heat and humidity condition of mind ear. The psychometric property it's essentially can be measured with different parameters, which is like enthalpy, relative humidity, sigma heat, mixing ratio, specific volume, air density, etc. And this parameter essentially can be estimated if I know three basic parameters. One is dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature and barometric pressure. Basically, to know psychometric property of air at a particular places, we will measure these three parameters. To measure the wet bulb and dry bulb temperatures, there are few instruments are available. One of them is the Asman psychometer and another is Whirling hygrometer. And the barometric pressure can be measured with the mercury barometer, and we have 14 barometer and also aneroid barometer to measure the barometric pressure. And let us see some of the instrument like Whirling hygrometer and Asman psychometer, aneroid barometer and 14 barometer, and then we will come back to the real experiment. This is a Asman psychometer. This is Whirling hygrometer. It has got two bulbs. One is for measuring the dry bulb temperature, another is measuring for wet bulb temperature. And for the wet bulb, there is some water gas is there, and we have to put first water here, and then this instrument has to be rotated to give a motion of 3 meters per second of velocity of air. And for that we have to maintain 200 rpm of rotation approximately. And this instrument has a least count of 1 degree centigrade. We have a better instrument to measure the wet bulb and dry bulb temperature, and this instrument is called Asman psychometer. Similar to Whirling hygrometer, it has also got two bulbs. One is wet bulb, another is dry bulb. But here, to create a air movement, we have a fan, and when this fan is rotated, it sucks air, and automatically there is air velocity is created. And 3 meters of second of air velocity can be uniformly maintained, whereas in your Whirling hygrometer, there may be problem of maintaining the 3 meters per second of air velocity. And it has also better accuracy than the Whirling hygrometer, and the least count of this instrument is 0.2 degree centigrade. Further, also this instrument is made of metal with silver coating, so that radiation energy reflected and it does not influence the dry bulb and wet bulb reading. And to measure the barometric pressure, we have an aneroid barometer, and this instrument it's a very portable instrument, and it can measure the atmospheric pressure at different places. But this instrument has a little bit of lower accuracy in compared with the hot environment. But okay, we also now see the hot environment. This is a hot environment, and this is more sturdy construction, and also it is very accurate. It has got both main scale and also vernier scale, and least count of this instrument is in the order of 0.05 millimeter of mercury. So we will first put some water in the wet bulb. Then we will rotate the fan, and approximately we will wait for 3 minutes. After that we will take the reading. You can থাকলো ready. Dry bulb reading we find is 33.2, and oil bulb reading we got it 29.1. Main scale reading we got it 745 millimeter, and vernier reading we got 6. So 6 into 0.05, 0.003. So the main total reading is 743 millimeter of Hg. Now we can take the measurement of psychrometric measurement at different places to know the air quality in terms of heat and humidity in different places. These readings we can use this reading and put into the psychrometric chart to know the other properties like relative humidity, specific volume, and this is enthalpy and mixing ratio. However, this psychrometric chart is prepared for 1.33 kilopascal. To get accurate reading, we can use the different equation for determination psychrometric property which is discussed in theory.